now I like to show you how to create quiz assignment. Yeah. So you can click on here. It is blank quiz or Google form. So if you click on this, the Google form is automatically open here. Okay, you can see this. Yeah. So we can write post questions here. India is the position of India in the largest area. Yeah, what is the position of India in largest area? So the position is 6th, 7th, 8th, maybe 9th. Yeah, here this is the Google Forms. Actually, I have already created one video on Google Forms. You can go and check that video also. I will put that video in my description box of this video. So don't worry. So the answer is here. You need to click answer key. Yeah, here you can click the answer. 7th is the correct answer. So yes, is it correct? Maybe let me check. Let me check. No problem. 7th may be the correct answer. Assignment India. Okay, where is India? Yes. Yes, I guess it is 7th only. So let me see. Let me verify and do it. No problem. Yeah, this is 7th largest country. So 7th is correct answer. So here we can give the marks also, whether how many points it has to carry. Maybe if it is simple question, it may carry 1 mark. If you want to make it 2 marks, you can do it. Okay, that is up to you. So let me make it 1 mark only. That's all. So this is the question. So done. Okay. I want to create one more question. So there are so many questions will be available, but multiple choice question is very I mean very easy for us to evaluate also. So we can definitely go for it. And the second question is maybe Pakistan is in which side of India? Okay, the answer is here only. Pakistan is west. Okay, Pakistan is west border. So we write it as east, north, south, and west. So the answer is answer key. So the answer key is west, and it is west. And one more thing we have forgot here, whether it is required or not. This thing is very important. That means, for example, if I put the first question as required, so without answering this question, it won't prompt you to answer the second question. Okay, it won't give you the chance. Okay, that's very important point. So sometimes if for example this question paper is for students and I definitely want their roll number and name, for example those two questions I need to post at the top. I won't give them any mark, but still I want them as required, so that I should definitely collect the name and roll number of the student. Okay, that part is very important for me. So this is the thing. So we can go ahead with this. So there are two questions, so let me write one more question also. Indian Ocean, India is vicinity of Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, Bangladesh is to east. Okay, so where is Bangladesh? Where is Bangladesh to India? Okay, where is Bangladesh to India? Okay, we can copy this part. Okay, anyhow, we will write it east, west, north, south. So answer, it is east, and one mark, done, and it should be required. Okay, in this way we need to do this. So I have created three questions here and three different questions. Of course, numbering is not required because number will be appeared in the Google form automatically. Okay, don't worry about that. So that's all, and there are so other options of Google Forms. So many other options, beautiful options are there. Maybe you can shuffle the things. I mean, you can shuffle the answers. Here the option is there. Yeah, shuffle option order. So the option order will be shuffled. For example, the same question has been given to 10 students. If the answer has been shuffled, the answer of 7 for one student is B, for another student it will be C, because options have been shuffled. In the same manner we can shuffle the questions also. Okay, that option is also there. So you can carefully do that, and can make the students not in a position to cheat you. Okay, so that is the beauty of this. That's all, you can close this. Yeah, topic is as usual India, and okay, you can give time, and that's up to you. No problem, let me give the same thing, 10 o'clock only. Marks, everything is okay, assign. Okay, this is quiz assignment. Is assign 1. That's all. So quiz assignment is also completed. So how we need to create the quizzes, and the other thing is question. So maybe question may be very simple, you can ask for it. Question is very simple. Where is India? I mean, which continent? Within brackets. Which continent? Of course, you need to send file also. So you need to write the question in a file. So let me write it. Save as question. Desktop. Yes. So otherwise I can write the whole thing. What are the boundaries of India? And what are the boundaries of India? This is just like an assignment only. Yeah, now I can do it. Question. The same thing. It's like an assignment. The students can edit the answer also. Student can reply to each other. That means they can share it and they can write the answer. So in this way you can do the things. So okay. The question is here. Okay, we can drop here also. That's up to you. So this is the dropping system can be there everywhere. That means you can do it at any point of time, not an issue. So this is the case. In this way we can use, we can insert our material, we can assignment, we can give assignments, we can give quiz assignments, we can ask a question. Okay, we can separate them into topics. So all these things are there in the Google Classroom. We can insert some people also, some students. Okay, in the next video I will show you how a student can be joined and how a student can answer these questions. All these things will be shown in the next video. So thank you so much for your careful listening.